What's up, guys? Here at Home Depot, they got these international boxes. Pretty deep too. There's the specs on it. There's the price on it. Let's step back. God, them drawers are long. How long them drawers are. And this thing's only 400 bucks too. Them drawers are long. Look at that. International. 400 bucks. Let's see. Power strips on the side, so there ain't no. There's a power strip over there. That's a nice box, guys, for 400 bucks. Drawers are long. That drawer don't come all the way out though. So that's a nice box. 400 bucks. Wish I had room for these. I'll buy 3 of them right now. I still think that's the best. I still think that's the best Milwaukee toolbox. I still think that's the best Milwaukee tool cart. That's nice too. I like it. I like it. And then you got 2 separate drawers. So I like it. Alright guys, I'm here at 7 o'clock at night and it's crazy. It's like the world's getting ready to end here at Home Depot. So like, share, subscribe guys. Till the next time. Bye bye.